Hey, what's up, you weirdos? One more video before we call it a day. All right, let's have some fun. Let's have some fun, guys. What do we got out there? So, first of all, Jasmy down 0.1% on the day, down 1.3 on the week, down 28.6 on the month, but up 299% on the year. Rank is 76, a $1.10 billion market cap. Volume is atrocious right now, 53 million. Onyxcoin, little of the same, down 7.3% on the day, 1.6 on the week, up 848% on the month, and 1,254 on the year. Down 6 spots in rank to 89, $814 million market cap, and we got about 105 million in volume. Swiftcoin down 5% on the day, 22.5 on the week, up 306% on the month and 834 on the year, down 6 spots in rank to 204th, $244 million market cap. Volume is down at 20.91. Absolutely atrocious volume, guys. Atrocious volume. Let's look at some charts. What's going on? What's going on? Jasmy, guys, Jasmy's going to pop. I'm telling you it's going to pop. We keep looking at this chart. Again, I look at this, right? And what do? I zoom out and I look at this and I see a 268% move to the upside on the breakout here. Guys, I would anticipate, me personally, obviously not financial advice, but me personally, I'm anticipating about a 200+% break out of this move, guys. People are asking me if they should be holding Jasmy or if they should sell. You got to do what you got to do, but me personally, I'd hate to be the guy that sold right before a 200% pump to the upside. That doesn't make me feel good, right? So, all right. Onyxcoin, XCN. So we're still outside of this bull flag we got going on here, guys. Got to get back up inside of there, sitting at right where we closed at about 2 cents, 48669. Possible we could see a move down to around this level here, that 1 cent 855 level. Just in a wick, though. Just on a wick. It's not going to be like drop down here and then consolidate. If we move down here, it would be something similar to this wick here. We just quickly drop down. That's kind of how I would see that. So, but it's not necessarily 100%. We could move right back up inside of here tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. So we'll see what happens. Maybe we get some volume in the market and things can start moving back to the upside. Swiftcoin, putting in those higher lows, guys. Looking bullish. Looking bullish. That's what you want to see. So everything's still on pace with Swiftcoin. Not really much new to report here, guys. We need to make another move up, as I said. Another move up. Maybe put in a higher low and continue to the upside. That's what I'd be watching for here. We don't want to start putting in lower lows, right? We don't want to do that. So, all right. So what do we have? I'm just kind of looking at this. There is potential here, though. It could get a little scary, guys. It could get a little scary. There's potential here. If we were to run up maybe a little bit higher, we could see this turn into a head and shoulders pattern now that I'm kind of looking at it, right? So it's something else we'll have to pay attention to, guys. Very possible we could see something to this effect here, right? But we'll see. We'll play it by ear. Right now, it doesn't really look like that. So, I'm just hypothesizing here, okay? All right, over to Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? 97,152. Not bad, guys. Look at this consolidation. Next week, you guys, is going to be, in my opinion, a very, very volatile week. Look at this week of boring sideways, and we're already moving to the upside, which is fantastic, right? We could see moving down here, as you guys know, between 85 and 91K. We could wick down something like we did here or here. Would be very, very possible. But look at this. This is absolutely, you don't see this kind of action often, right? You don't see this very often. Just a tug of war between the bulls and the bears. So who's going to win, guys? Well, what I can tell you is going over to Michael Vandepop's X account, he says this should be a great week. Good morning. So Michael Vandepop anticipating a green week next week. We'll see what happens there, guys. I'm hoping he's right. We could use a little bit of a relief week, a nice green week, move to the upside. That would be fantastic. So, guys, look, I talked to Grok again today. I said, do you think XCN will be listed on Binance? Let's see what Grok had to say. It says, as of February 9th, which was today, there has been considerable speculation and discussion about Onyxcoin XCN potentially being listed on Binance. Several indicators and community sentiment suggest the following. Number one, community and social media buzz. Posts on X and web discussions indicate a strong belief among some users that XCN could be listed on Binance soon. This is based on community sentiment and the excitement around the recent developments, like the resolution of issues with HTX Global and Justin Sun, as well as upcoming project announcements. Market impact. Analysts and commentators have noted that if XCN were to be listed on Binance, it could lead to a significant Binance effect, where newly listed tokens often see a surge in price due to increased visibility and trading volume. However, the sustainability of such gains can be uncertain, particularly in bearish market conditions. Recent developments. XCN has been nominated for the Binance Next pool, and there have been reports of its contract address appearing on CoinGecko related to Binance, which some interpret as a precursor to a listing. Exchange listings. XCN has already been listed on other exchanges like Kraken Pro and Ascend EX, which typically increases the likelihood for further listings on major platforms like Binance, given the increased liquidity and visibility. However, despite these positive signals, no official confirmation. As of now, there has been no official announcement from Binance itself confirming the listing. Speculation is based on community insights, market trends, and indirect signs like social media posts or project updates. Market volatility. Even if listed, the crypto market volatility means any positive impact might not be long-lasting, and there's always the risk of price dips post-listing. That's what we talk about here all the time. I've warned you guys about that. Caesar's warned you guys about that. Some people don't want to listen to it. Some people don't believe it. You'll find out the hard way. Given the context, while there are strong indications and community expectations for an XCN listing on Binance, without an official announcement, it remains speculative. The optimistic view is if Binance does list XCN, it could potentially drive the token's price to new highs due to the Binance effect. Cautious view. Without confirmation and considering market dynamics, it's prudent to approach with caution. The impact could be less significant or short-term if the market sentiment shifts or if the broader market faces downturns. In summary, while the likelihood seems high based on community buzz and indirect signs, until there's an official word from Binance, all predictions remain speculative. It would be wise to keep an eye on official Binance announcements or updates from Onyxcoin's official channels. So there you go, guys. The pros and cons, the potential of both. The odds seem high at the end of the day, but as always, guys, I want to know what you guys think. And again, guys, listen, we have had the Patreon absolutely explode lately, guys. It's almost 1,700 members, and it just keeps growing and growing. The chats are going crazy 24/7. People from all over the world. So it's not like, in the middle of the night, it's the other side of the world. Everyone's chatting over there. It's a buzz, guys. Everyone's making money on these gems that we're dropping right now. We're looking at 3 right now that we think are going to run just like XCN has run, guys. The potential is off the charts. We have all stocked up. We're all getting ready to go, guys. Listen, we stocked up on XCN and Swiftcoin in March of last year, and we got over 3,000% returns on that. So we know what we're talking about over there, guys. We get in early on these plays before everybody else does. Right now, we are in accumulation mode on 3 other projects that are going to moonshot, in our opinion, guys. So definitely get over there and check it out. You don't want to start buying these projects after they've gone mainstream and the big content creators are talking about them and they've already pumped 2,000-3,000%. Your exit liquidity at that point. You want to make the money, right? So get over there, guys. Jump over. Check out these gems that we're looking at. We're also live over there every single evening. We do a live group video call. It's absolutely amazing, educational, fun. We have laughs. We learn a lot. Everyone's questions get answered. And on top of all of that, you can also book one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. So what have you got to lose, guys? Get over there. Check it out. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.